welcome to the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. Today, I'm going to show you how I created 2 baskets from different stores. All of these items were bought from Hobby Lobby, Bells, the Dollar Tree, and even Walmart. So here I have different items, a picture frame, beautiful crosses from Hobby Lobby. The cutting board that you saw was also from Hobby Lobby. Bells Outlet, that was given to me by my mother-in-law. A candle from Bath and Body Works. Oh yes, Bath and Body Works. Don't forget to go by Bath and Body Works. So, a little bit about my technique for making baskets. I consider the person that I'm giving the basket to as a gift. These were gifts for my mother-in-law and my sister. Now, my little one is recording, so excuse this shaky video. She's recording me today. So these were baskets for my sister and my mother-in-law, and I thought about what would they like and what can they use. Now, friends, this is a great tip because a lot of times when I used to buy people gifts, I used to buy them what I thought they might like. But later on in life, I started thinking, what would they use? What do they like? And what do they need? So from a mom's perspective, we all know that our children need different things. Well, that is also true for our friends, our family, and even our co-workers and bosses. So think about the next time you buy a gift for someone, what would they use? What do they love? What do they need? What will they be able to enjoy for themselves? Now, it might seem real silly that you see me buying cleaning supplies, but both of these ladies actually love to keep their house clean. And they also love fresh scents and sprays and candles. So I was able to think about each one individually. So I bought these baskets from the Dollar Tree, and also this plastic wrap and the bows came from Dollar Tree. So you'll see me cut a cup and some styrofoam. The reason why I did this is because I was trying to give the basket some height. A lot of times when you're using a basket that has one level, it doesn't have any height, and when you try to stack the items so they could be seen, they just kind of fall down in the basket. So I was able to cut a cup, wrap it with tissue paper, and also this styrofoam that I'm going to also wrap in tissue paper. That's a great hint because it's going to give your items height where they could be seen. I absolutely love this cutting board, and when I did give it to her as a gift, she said she's never ever going to use it. She's going to hang it on the wall because it was so beautiful. The soaps, I love all these stores because they give you such a combination of items, and they are very affordable to make your baskets. My mom used to make baskets and sell them when we were little. She would make homemade flowers and silk flowers and put them in baskets or sell them as corsages. So as I grew up, I had a little creativity bug in me, not as well as my mom, but a little creativity bug. And so here I'm doing rose petals. These rose petals I found also at the Dollar Tree. They were absolutely beautiful. I also did these rose petals for my daughter's table for her birthday party. They were absolutely beautiful with decorations from the party store, but I like to put a little bit of cuteness on it. So here I am wrapping the basket with the bows. And all you have to do with these bows is just fluff them out. And these were actually 2 for $1. So the next time you think about getting someone a gift, think about what they love. Think about what they like. Think about what will they use. A lot of times these baskets are going to look so different and funny to different people, because one of my kids came over and said, "Ma, you have cleaning supplies and you have that spray?" Absolutely, because I know these ladies are going to use this. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how you too can make your next gift baskets for your loved ones. And this is how they came out. Both ladies absolutely loved their gifts. They were packed with things that they loved and things that they could use and things that they could also treasure. So until next time, thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.